This book is purely the plan. So there's a short introduction and cutting list of every instrument. The 5-string Kantele, for example, it includes again full-size plans to cut out and paste together. And it also includes the 11-string Kantele, the 15-string Drone Kantele, the brand new Piccolo Kantele, which is a smaller octave instrument. Also has the plans for the older 10-string instrument, which I don't make very often nowadays, but there's the front plan pattern for that. And also a plan for the short scale version, which I do occasionally make, a smaller bronze strung instrument. It's a little bit more portable, has a different sound, different tonality with bronze strings. Again, full-size pattern for that part instrument. So this is the pattern book. You could use this in conjunction with this book to make yourself an 11-string Kantele, or you can wait until next year for the 11-string Kantele making book that will be coming out. There'll be some extra in that book, including the case making and probably an expanded playing chapter. I'm still working on that, so that's a longer project. Both of these books are available worldwide from today from the Amazon shop. These are print-on-demand books, so wherever you order them in the world, they'll be printed as local to you as possible. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below.